Hello and welcome back to Children's Reading Cove. Are you ready to keep reading along with me and practicing your sight words? Let's go. Tick-tock gets a pal. Tick-tock gets a pal. Tick-tock is sad. Tick-tock wants a pal. Tick-tock sees a dog. Will you play with me? Says Tick-tock. No, says the dog. I want to dig. Tick-tock sees a cat. Will you play with me? Says Tick-tock. No, says the cat. I want to nap. Tick-tock sees a fox. Will you play with me? Says Tick-tock. Okay, says the fox, but I need to mop this up for my mom. I will do it for you, says Tick-tock. Zip, zap. You are a pal, says the fox. Now we can play, says Tick-tock. To get a pal, you need to be a pal. The end. Thank you so much for reading along on Children's Reading Cove. I hope you had a good chance to practice your sight words and to read along with me. We'll see you very, very soon. Bye-bye.